Seriously, look at this shit. Oh my god. Like, this is absolutely fucked it. It rains in our house as well because we live in a like 500-600-year-old cottage. Parts of it are. So it rains in our house as well as outside our house. So there we go. All the places it rains in the house. Comes in through this door, floods down here.
This doorway?
That's yeah, sorry. This this doorway.
That's a new one.
Really?
Look. So this doorway, yeah. Neo's room. Here. It rains here. Yeah.
How are you?
I'm alright, thank you, Sarah. And you alright?
Yeah.
So yeah, it really does rain in the house as much as it rains out the house. Because as you can see, we live in a really old cottage. Like super duper 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 old. Like super duper old. So like, like I thought it disappeared there. Yeah, so it rains in the house. Nightmare. Does it rain in your house? No, probably not. I've got to go out and check the kittens in a minute as well. Luckily, they're in probably somewhere that's drier than our house.